Welcome to today's deep dive into welding codes, especially P number, F number, group number and A number. These number systems from ASME boiler or pressure vessel code section IX help welding professionals design, qualify, and document welding procedures systematically. Understanding these codes can save time, reduce testing, and improve quality in welding fabrication. In welding, we group materials and consumables with codes to reduce the number of procedure qualifications required. This system includes: P numbers are base metal categories, group numbers are subcategories of P number for toughness testing, F numbers for filler metals, electrodes, wires, A numbers are weld metal chemical composition. P numbers categorize base metals, metals to be welded, based on similar characteristics like composition, mechanical properties, and weldability. These categories are listed in ASME Section IX Table QW422. For example, carbon steels such as SA36 and SA516 grade 70 fall in the same P number group, so a procedure qualified for one can often be used for the other. But remember, we still need to consider design, service conditions, and heat treatment. Group numbers are subsets of P numbers. They specifically relate to toughness testing requirements, usually when a welding procedure specification, WPS, needs additional tests beyond basic mechanical tests. Not all P groups have subgroups, but those that do help distinguish materials that need specific toughness qualification. F numbers classify filler metals, particularly electrodes and welding wires, based on usability characteristics. These tables are found in Section IX Table QW432. F number grouping assumes that if a welder can make a sound weld with one electrode type in a group, they can weld with all electrodes in that group safely and consistently. But metallurgical compatibility must still be considered. The A number relates to the chemical composition of the weld metal, the combination of base metal and filler metal after welding. These codes help identify the weld metal chemistry in the procedure qualification record, PQR, and WPS. ASME Table QW442 assigns these A numbers based on alloy percentages in the deposited weld metal. If a weld metal composition doesn't match an A number, the exact chemistry must be recorded. These number systems help streamline welding procedures. Instead of qualifying a new WPS for every single grade, engineers can design and qualify procedures for groups, saving time, minimizing testing costs, and ensuring code compliance across similar materials. In pressure vessels, piping, petrochemical fabrication, and boiler construction, this saves significant cost, labor, and ensures consistency in welding quality. Understanding P numbers, F numbers, group numbers and A numbers is essential for welders, welding engineers, inspectors, and quality professionals. When properly applied, these codes make your welding documentation stronger and your fabrication workflow more efficient. If you want the exact tables from ASME Section IX to practice with, check out the links below. And don't forget to like or subscribe if you want more welding metallurgical breakdowns.